Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nico Calafir. My student ID number 20243204. In this video, I will explain a database practicum with the topic implementation of trigger in a sales system. Using a database name DB Penjualan, this practicum I'm to implement before insert and after insert triggers on the transaction table so that data processing can be handled automatically by the system. Database and table explanation. The first step is creating a database name DB Penjualan, and then using that database, next three main table are create, product, transaksi, and log stock. The product table is used to store product data such as product name, stock, and price. The transaksi table is used to record sales transaction, include transaction date, product ID, quantity, and total price. Meanwhile, the log stock table is used to record every stock change, both incoming and outgoing, as a stock history log. After creating a table, initial data is inserted into the product table, such as pulpen biru, buku tulis, and penghapus, each with different stock and price values. This data is used as sample data to test the sales transaction process. The first trigger implementation is a before insert trigger on the transaksi table. This trigger is executed before a transaction record is saved into the table. In this trigger, the system automatically the product price from the product table based on the select ID product. If the tanggal transaksi field is not filed, the system will automatically set the to current date and time. In addition, the total field automatically calculated by multiplying the quantity with the product price. The allow user to input transaksi data without calculating the total amount. After insert trigger. The second trigger is an after insert trigger on the transaksi table. This trigger is executed after the transaction data has been successful. In this trigger, the product stock in the product table is automatically reduced according to the transaction quantity. The system records the stock change into the log stock table with the type set to luar and a description, the sales transaction ID. The insert that all stock changes are recorded for tracking and audit purpose. Trigger testing. To test implementation trigger, a transaction record as insert into the transaction table without filling the tanggal transaksi and total field. After the insert, it can be observed transaction that total price are automatically filled by the system. Next, the product table check, and it can be seen the product stock has according to the transaction quantity. Next, product table. Finally, the log stock table show a new record, a log, the stock reduced cost, the sales transaction. Conclusion: based on the testing result, it can be concluded the both before insert and after insert trigger work correctly. The trigger successful automate transaction calculation, update product stock, and record stock change consistent. The implementation improve database efficiency and reduce the risk of manual input error. The concludes my explanation of the database practicum. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.